back to the channel. This is another Sunday and we are here at the Grand Hotel at Malad. For what? We are here for the Sunday
brunch.
Yes, the Grand Sunday brunch. So keep watching the entire video till the end.
We'll first show you the menu and then we'll show you what you are having.
Yes,
Stay
so
tuned.
stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, that's the menu for the Sunday brunch. So guys, our starters have just arrived and we have taken the soup first to start off the buffet with. So I'll just show you. That's everything of course. So let me show you what all starters we've started off the brunch with. So that is my chicken manchow soup, fried chicken.
This is
Fish kolivara. This is chicken in black pepper sauce.
and these are all the salads that I'm having. And again the soup. So
Which soup have you taken?
Manchow.
The same,
Manchow
manchow
soup.
soup.
this is normal. These are all different salads.
Veg,
Egg,
right?
yeah, veg. This is non-veg, this is egg. These are
How
all
many
veg.
different types of salads were there?
6,
Six.
7, 6 or 7.
One non-veg salad. Soup also they had two options. One was a veg tomato soup and the one we are having is the chicken manchow soup. So they have two live counters. They have the pani puri counter which is right there behind you. You can see when they're making the fresh pani puri chaat over there. We were not interested so much in the chaat, so we started off with the soup and the salad first.
They're also having a pancake counter.
Yeah, waffle.
Waffle.
Live waffle counter and the dessert counter. We'll show you next later on after we finish with the main course, the dessert counter. And right now we also got little bit helping of the veg starter here.
So for the veg, we have got paneer, there is corn, and there is also some aloo ka kuch. Aloo to khayenge nahi, corn kha rahe hain, and
So we got this portion of corn tikkis.
we will also have some.
How was the corn by the way?
Actually, very good. Actually, better than the chicken one. I personally like
Yeah,
it.
but mostly the starters are all fried stuff, right?
Yeah, that's the only problem. इसलिए ज़्यादा खा नहीं रहे हैं.
Also, let me tell you guys, we just had a look of the entire buffet spread that is there. We have an amazing spread, I must tell you, for brunch. Let me give you a breakthrough of all the starters one by one. So, starting off with the veg, the corn that we tried. I think it's really nice and crispy. Taste-wise, is good. It's not that spicy. Of course, it's deep fried, but then that's how starters mostly are. Then the chicken here, of course, again deep fried. It has got a coating of breadcrumbs, but it's no spices as such. It's a little bland, on the bland side, if I may say so. The fish kolivara, on the other hand, is very nicely spiced and fried as well with the coating. It tastes absolutely yummy, and so does the Chinese chicken black pepper sauce.
Good.
What is this you're having?
Some aloo stuff.
Aloo tikki.
Very good. The veg is better than the non-veg actually.
Very good means what? It's spicy. It's less
Medium
spicy.
Medium spicy.
Well cooked.
Very well.
Nice.
It's a salad. Normal dosa. चटनी में नमक कम है. So this is paneer butter masala. This is plain rice. ये mixed veg है. Veg kolhapuri. ये चना मसाला और ये bit of chicken. And this is some prawns in. एक बार खा के देख के बताता हूँ मैं क्या है. रुकिए. ये चिकन है.
You said that's prawn.
प्रॉन और एक है उधर कोई प्रॉन डम्पलिंग्स है. समथिंग. सो एक बार ट्राई करके देखते हैं. रुकिए. हाउ इज द पनीर? पनीर इज गुड.
How the paneer is it soft?
The paneer and let us cut the paneer.
Well, looks pretty soft.
पनीर इज गुड. ये मिक्स्ड वेज देखते हैं. ओके. दूसरा इज ओके.
That's your favorite
This is
chana
chana
masala.
Bad.
Bad.
Yeah, I had better chana masala than this.
As in like it's not spicy,
It's very bland. I
Bland.
did not like it. Let's try the chicken. It's good. The chicken is good.
Any other option for rice?
They have noodles actually.
Noodles. There's only
Hakka
one
noodles.
option for rice.
Yeah, only one option. That's what I saw at least.
And are you having any breads along with it?
You can order
You
whatever you
ordered
want.
for anything?
Whatever you order. They have got naan, they have got chapati, they have got roti. Everything is there.
Main course plate. Now I have got a little bit of rice. This is fish in ajwain sauce. This is the Asian veg curry. That's the stir-fried veg noodles. And this is again chicken in oyster sauce. That's Chinese basically. And I've got a little bit of kali dal. So I'll taste a little bit of everything.
How is it?
Chinese is pretty good. The noodles are a little bit extra fried, so they become almost like crispy noodles. And the chicken. Pretty good. Okay, this is the waffle that Abhijit just got from one of the live counters, the dessert counter. So let's see how the dessert is now. He didn't put any topping though.
Normal chocolate. Good. Chutney.
It's good.
अच्छा सॉफ्ट है गुड
So मुझको मेरा फिश मिल गया और अभिजीत को अपना डिज़र्ट मिल गया मनपसंद. So बस और क्या चाहिए. I think the buffet is complete now, even though it had little bit of flaws which we'll speak to you a little bit later, but overall I think it was pretty good.
दिस इज द मूंग दाल हलवा एंड अच्छा है थोड़ा इट्स गुड इट्स अ नॉर्मल केक और ये एक डोनट है जो डोनट ट्राई करके देखते हैं ऐसे नहीं खाना ही पड़ेगा
It's very hard.
थोड़ा फ्रेश नहीं है काफ़ी हार्ड है केक ट्राई करते हैं इतना फ्रेश नहीं है
The cake also.
Yeah, it's
a
not that
sponge
soft.
cake.
It's not that soft.
And you didn't take the rasgulla?
I'll have it. That's the last thing. I hope they don't mess up on that. This is actually good. Yes, sir.
So I've got my dessert plate right over here. As you can see, it's much less compared to Abhijit's dessert plate. It's got two things right here: the Black Forest, pastry, and this is the chocolate fudge. Basically, I showed you the entire dessert counter. They had a variety of things. They also have ice cream, by the way, but only one flavor, that is strawberry ice cream. So since I don't like strawberry ice cream, I didn't go for it. So these two things, the chocolate fudge, I like it. It's very nice. And Black Forest is my favorite cake. So they can't go wrong with this, I suppose. It's also very nice. So both my desserts are great. So we just finished with the brunch here at the Grand Home Hotel, and let me tell you, it was amazing. We had a really great time. It was absolutely value for money if you're looking for a budget-friendly brunch. How was your experience?
It was good. I would not say amazing. I would like to differ from her, but it's good. It
A
was
few dishes were here and there.
It was good. It was good. It was not amazing, but it was good. We liked
Yeah,
it.
of course, definitely they had an extensive choice of food.
We had better food than this place. Also.
Yeah, but the selection, they had fish, they had prawn, they had chicken, so almost all the things in non-veg. Veg we didn't try much, but veg starters were really amazing.
On this note, we'd like to end this vlog. If you like what we do, please subscribe to the channel. And people who have already subscribed, thanks a ton for subscribing and all the love you have been showing to our channel all throughout. And we will be having a few more vlogs coming up very shortly. So
Travel
stay tuned.
vlogs. Yes, so this of course was a short vlog. I know it was not a travel vlog, but hopefully you liked it. So until next time, guys, do not forget to follow me on social media again and stay tuned. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye bye.